Okay, so here we are at our binary adding machine, and I just had each of the boys make up a number, and we're going to show how these add together. The yellows represent our zeros, and the purples represent the ones. So the numbers we're adding together is 1, 0, 1, and 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, and so how do they add together?
Well, if you add like you go down, and this would be a zero. This would be a zero. So
okay, so it's just like there's a 0 there.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And then this would be a 1.
All right, that would be a 1.
This would be a 1 also.
That would be a 1 also.
And this would be a 1 too.
Okay.
And that's a 2.
That's a 2. Okay, so very good. So far, we seem to be in pretty good shape.
Except we have a 2.
Oh, except we have a 2, and we're not allowed to have a 2.
Well, we could shift it over.
What does what happens to a 2?
We could use our rule and shift it over to become a 1, 0.
Oh, the 2 becomes a 1, 0. So here we have a rule
That says
that a 2
can shift over.
becomes a 1, 0. So this 2 over here shifted over and became a 1 on top of that one and left a 0.
But now we still have a 2.
Now we still have a 2.
And we have to shift this over and create a 1, 0.
Okay, shift that over and create a 1, 0. Okay.
But now we still have a 2.
Now we still have a 2.
So we just have to shift it over again.
And it becomes another 1, 0.
And then shift it over again.
Shift it over again.
But this time it doesn't become a 2.
Yeah, actually, so by luck,
It became 16.
by luck it became a pretty interesting number. So let's just see. So that's 16. And what was our top number? That we now write as 0, 1, 0, 1?
It's 5.
5. All right.
And this bottom number is 11. And so we're hoping to get that.
5 plus 11 is?
16.
5 plus 11 is 16. Okay, so there's an example of our binary adding machine. And so it's pretty cool that you can have like these snap cubes, like I was saying Duplo blocks, but I meant snap cubes, can show you how to add in binary.
Wow.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about, and we're going to talk about it back on the blackboard, or whiteboard I guess, is what about numbers like this? 1/2 or 1/3.
How do you do that?
How do you do that? All right, you ready to find out? You ready?
Yeah.
All right, awesome.